All right. My name's Victor Agbasi, and I'm going to give a talk about civic engagement through web development. So just to give you a little bit about my journey as a coder. I honestly only started teaching myself how to code about 2 years ago, and it's a pretty long process, a lot of frustrations, and a lot of different things I couldn't figure out by myself. So where's Ty at? He left? Okay, well, yeah. Anyways, Coding Dojo came to Tulsa in the summer of 2017, and I said, hey, this looks like a great opportunity for me to learn a lot more about just developing software, and decided to do that. And it was a long, hard, grueling process, but I was able to get through that and just kind of get a good foundation for just developing. So I want to say the last week during the Coding Dojo, the director for HungerFree Oklahoma came by, and he was asking, I think it was a Tulsa Web Devs meetup, and he was asking for someone to build a solution for this food program initiative that they're doing during the summer called Oklahoma Summer Meals Program. So I was like, I need something to do my project on. So I said, hey, let me just take that up, and built something up in about 4 days. And he loved it, and put it up on GitHub. And through the course of the last 2 months, I want to say, we've been using this thing called Codesy. I don't know who here is familiar with Codesy. I don't know if it's, okay, yeah. Yeah, some guys at 36 Degrees North built it, and it's a pretty cool tool where developers can get rewarded for fixing issues on different repos. So if somebody funds the issue, they can actually, possibly get rewarded if they get a pull request merged. So we use that. A lot of people, helping me fix little bugs here and there, and hopefully that site will be going up by the end of next week. And yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about, we all have skills and talents here, whether it's web development, whether it's any type of software engineering, or tech skill, or any skill really. I think whatever it is that you're good at, you can use that to just help your community and help just build something that someone else can benefit from. So yeah, kind of want to go through the app. Oh. So this is the app pretty much, and it's a really basic app. It just kind of takes a bunch of sites that HungerFree Oklahoma has provided. It's about 100 sponsored sites across the state of Oklahoma, and yeah, it's just a really easy way for kids to come and find out where they can get free meals during the summer, because a lot of these kids don't have ways to get a good meal in. A lot of times that their one good meal during the years at school, and in the summer, like a lot of times there's just not meals for them. So all these sites, a lot of them are federally funded, and they can come here and get a free meal, no cost to their parents. And some of them serve breakfast, some of them serve lunch, some of them serve both, some of them only serve a snack, but all of them are open at different times, and they can search out based on 10, 15, 20 miles what's closest to them, and see like what's the nearest sites in the area. So yeah, and let's see what else I had here. Oh yeah, Innovate Oklahoma. Anyone heard of Innovate Oklahoma? Anyone from there? Yeah? Well, they have this really neat concept that I just found out about last week, that if you have any solution or thing that you're trying to build that could help local or state governments, they'll consider it, and they'll look it over and see if it's a viable solution for them implementing in their government to make things more efficient, to make things better. And they'll actually help you build a business around it, and potentially find other clients that may want to use it. And I thought that's a pretty good thing to put up here, since it's kind of, pertaining to civic engagement. So lastly, yeah, I just want to say, if you have any skills that you could help someone else without, try your best to get involved and, help the community out. So any questions?
I got one.
Yeah.
Are they just looking for different applications and different things like that, or are we talking about business plans and things that can help the city altogether?
Both, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Just like a resource center?
Yeah, it's like people. Oh, sorry. Ask your question again.
I was just asking about Innovate Oklahoma, if it is specific to bringing in an application, or if it's also general for programs and business models that you have an idea that would impact the community.
Okay, yeah. So she asked, is it just business models or is it just solutions that could help the community? It's both. People that have no technical skills can submit some sort of solution that could be possible, and someone else could develop it. And if it's a viable solution that could actually help the government, or in some form or fashion, that they can consider it and possibly use it and help you build a business around it and sell it to other people possibly. So, any other questions? No? Yeah.
If I'm looking for opportunities to engage civically,
Yeah.
Through what I do, I mean, does Innovate Oklahoma have like a list of problems they'd like to solve, or where can I go to find out?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
may not come across things. I may not have the opportunity to meet somebody,
Sure.
at a meetup.
Yeah. So, Innovate Oklahoma is more you submitting your solution, but Code for Tulsa, I forgot to talk about Code for Tulsa. It's a really cool, yeah. Who here is from Code for Tulsa affiliated? Yeah. It's a great organization. I've been coming to the meetups a lot, and they have a lot of cool projects that, could help the community that's my timer. That could help just the community, and they just look for developers to volunteer their time and build solutions. So.
Do they have an online resource for those of us who don't make the meetups and that kind of stuff? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I think Techlahoma has a site, and they have a lot of different things that, meetups and Slack. I don't know if you want to join the Slack. You're welcome and ask questions and,
Also a GitHub group with projects.
Yeah, also there's a GitHub group. Code for Tulsa. Yep. GitHub/Code for Tulsa. Anyone else? No? All right. That's all I got.
All right, let's give it up.